Hey guys, this is Brandon at the Edge Pro, and just wanted to do a clipper review today on a clipper that is going to be called the Metal Magic Clip. This is currently a limited edition clipper. Not sure if it's going to end up staying in the regular lineup of tools or not, but we're going to talk through it and see. It looks very similar to some clippers that we're familiar with, and it's basically a mashup of those clippers. Those clippers being the 100-year clipper from that basically looks exactly like this, and then also the Magic Clip. All of these are cordless, same with this tool here. So the first thing we look at is we're looking at the box here, and looks pretty sharp. Almost has the exact same look as the 100-year clipper that they did this year for 2019. The difference is going to be the little emblem there on the front. Instead of saying anything about 100 years, just the 5-star part of the 5-star line, and then talks about the Magic Clip. And that's going to be the outside of the box. Here on the back, we have another picture of the clipper, and then it just talks about some of the features of that clipper. And some of those features, all the features are going to be the exact same as the cordless, regular cordless Magic Clip. And so we have in here, we have a run time of 90 minutes. You can run it corded or cordless. Metal housing is a great feature. And then it has some accessories, combs, blade guards, and the blade combs as well. So that kind of gives us a sneak peek of what we're looking at here. We'll come back around to the front and open it up. So when we take the lid off here, we can see that they are going with the 100-year packaging again at least through 2019. I'm not sure what they'll end up doing in 2020, but same packaging that the 100-year clipper came in, which was exciting. We really like that, and it's fun to open. Really showcases and highlights the clipper that we have here. And so I like that quite a bit. And we can go ahead and move forward here into opening this. And here we are. So here is the Magic Clip, and it feels exactly like the 100-year does. A little bit heavier with that metal housing, but really strong, durable. They have their engraving on the back side here as well that identifies the clipper. Again, kept the front housing almost identical with the exception of this this plate here identifying what the clipper is. But otherwise, we pretty much have the 100-year clipper as far as what it feels like. Our big difference that we run into is we have a plastic adjustment lever here. And this plastic adjustment lever is basically exactly like the Magic Clip. The Magic Clip's a gold one, this one's black. But plastic adjustment lever, and then it does have the stagger blade or the crunch blade on the clipper. That's going to be a little bit difficult to zoom in on. We'll probably do that here in a minute. But yeah, it has the stagger blade that comes with the Magic Clip on it. And then the last feature that it has is it is able to be zero gapped. And those were a couple things that the 100-year clipper didn't have. So overall, we really like this clipper. Couple of the differences between this clipper and the 100-year is going to be, again, we talked about the blade. This one has the stagger blade and can be zero gapped. The slide is plastic versus the metal one that the 100-year had. And then lastly, as you do sacrifice a little bit of power, they beefed up the 100-year for us and gave us about a third more power. This goes back down to the Magic Clip. And so sacrifice a little bit of power to get a stronger housing for the metal Magic Clip. Next, we'll come back here to the box, and down here on inside the box, we have all of the accessories that they talked about. So we have our blade cover, there. Charging cord just plugs directly into the back of the clipper. A 3-pack of combs here that has the, let's see, the half, the 1, and the 1.5. Some oil on a blade brush. A nice cloth to keep the fingerprints off. And a comb. And the instructions. So that empties this box out. Overall, I am a big fan of this tool. I really like the Magic Clip. It's always been one of our best sellers since day one that it's come out. And so to see them put it in a more durable housing, I really do like that. I'm not sure how much the extra weight is going to end up affecting a lot of users with that, but really like it. I would consider it definitely an upgrade from the regular Magic Clip. Would be nice if it still had that power from the 100 year, but you can't have it all. So, but yeah, overall, I give this clipper a thumbs up, and we'll give it a good high rating of probably a 4.5 out of 5. Thank you guys for listening to this, and we'll see what we can review next time.